Imagine having an extra $500 in your pocket every single month. That's $6,000 a year, without working overtime, without giving up your favorite coffee, and without changing the lifestyle you love. Sound impossible? Today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can save $500 every month effortlessly. And the best part? These strategies are practical, simple, and anyone between 30 and 40 can apply them starting today. If you're in your 30s or 40s, you're probably balancing career growth, family expenses, and maybe even saving for retirement. That's why these hacks are designed specifically for busy professionals and families who don't want to downgrade their lifestyle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep enjoying life while saving hundreds every month. Step 1. Master your subscriptions. Let's talk about subscriptions. The average American spends over $200 a month on subscriptions, streaming, apps, gyms, even unused memberships. Here's the trick. You don't have to cancel them, just optimize. Number 1, call your internet or phone provider and ask for a loyalty discount. Most people save $20 to $50 instantly. Number 2, rotate streaming services. Instead of paying for Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and HBO Max at the same time, pick one or two each month. That alone saves $30 to $40. Number 3, use apps like Truebill or Rocket Money to track forgotten subscriptions. These tiny changes can put back $80 to $120 into your account without losing anything you use. Step 2, smart grocery shopping. Here's where it gets interesting. Families in the US spend around $800 a month on groceries, but with smarter habits, you can cut that by at least $150 without skipping meals. Number 1, use store rewards and cashback apps like Ibotta or Rakuten. Number 2, shop store brands instead of big-name brands. Most taste identical but cost 20 to 30% less. And number 3, plan meals weekly to avoid wasting food. Americans throw away about $1,500 worth of food every year. That's money you literally toss into the trash. By reducing waste and using loyalty rewards, you can easily save $100 to $150 per month. Step 3, optimize debt and credit cards. Debt is a lifestyle killer, but the fix doesn't mean sacrificing fun. Number 1, if you have credit card balances, transfer them to a 0% APR card. Many offer up to 18 months interest-free. Number 2, switch to a cashback card for everyday spending. If you spend $2,000 a month, 2% cash back gives you $40 monthly back. And number 3, always pay above the minimum. Even an extra $50 toward debt saves hundreds in interest each year. Between lower interest and cash back, that's $100 or more dollars saved every single month. Step 4, smarter utility bills. Utilities are another sneaky expense. The average household pays around $250 a month on electricity, gas, and water. But small tweaks cut that by 10 to 20%. Swap to LED bulbs, use smart thermostats. Lowering the thermostat just 2 degrees can save $20 a month. And wash clothes in cold water. This alone can save $10 to $15. These aren't lifestyle changes. You'll still live in comfort, but your utility bill shrinks by at least $40 a month. Okay, so how about this one? Step 5, smarter eating out and coffee. You don't need to give up Starbucks or your favorite Friday night dinner spot. Instead, just adjust. Use restaurant discount apps like Groupon or OpenTable. Pick weekday lunches over Friday night dinners. Same food, cheaper pricing. And get loyalty rewards at coffee shops. Most give a free drink after every 6 to 10 purchases. Instead of cutting out the fun, you're just being smarter about it. That's easily another $80 to $100 saved monthly. And step 6, insurance and medical bills. This one is a game changer. Insurance is boring, but it's one of the easiest ways to save big. Shop for car or home insurance every year. On average, switching providers saves $500 annually. That's $40 a month. Check if your employer offers discounts for health or life insurance. And use health savings accounts or flexible spending accounts for medical bills. You save 20 to 30% on pre-tax dollars. That's another $50 to $80 in monthly savings you barely notice. Okay, so let's add all this up. Subscriptions, $100. Groceries, $150. Credit cards and debt, $100. Utilities, $40. Eating out, $100. And insurance, $80. That's a total of $570 every month, without cutting out coffee, vacations, or family fun. It's all about being strategic with the money you're already spending. Now, imagine what you could do with an extra $6,000 a year. Pay off debt faster, take a family vacation, or finally start that investment account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more smart money hacks. And tell me in the comments, which tip are you going to try first?